This essay is for families of children with Ulrich's Congenital Muscular dystrophy, or UCMD. We want to help you understand this complex condition. We will explain UCMD, its symptoms, and how it's diagnosed. We'll also discuss treatment options and the importance of early intervention. We understand this is a challenging journey. Our goal is to provide you with clear information and a sense of hope. UCMD is a rare genetic disorder. It affects muscles, making them weak and causing problems with movement. Children with UCMD may have difficulty with motor skills like sitting, standing, and walking. While there is no cure for UCMD, early diagnosis and treatment can improve quality of life. This essay will guide you through the key aspects of UCMD. We aim to empower you with knowledge and support. Remember, you are not alone on this journey. UCMD is caused by mutations in certain genes. These genes are responsible for making proteins that protect muscle fibers. When these genes are mutated, the proteins are not produced correctly. This leads to muscle weakness and degeneration. UCMD is inherited in an autosomal recessive pattern. This means that a child must inherit 2 copies of the mutated gene, one from each parent, to develop the condition. Parents who carry 1 copy of the mutated gene are called carriers. Carriers typically do not show symptoms of UCMD. Understanding the genetic basis of UCMD is crucial for diagnosis and genetic counseling. Genetic testing can confirm the diagnosis and help families understand the risks of passing the condition on to future children. Symptoms of UCMD typically appear at birth or in early infancy. One of the most common symptoms is muscle weakness, particularly in the muscles of the shoulders, hips, and upper arms and legs. This weakness can cause delays in motor development, such as rolling over, sitting up, and walking. Other common symptoms of UCMD include joint contractures, which are limitations in the range of motion of joints. Contractures occur because the muscles around the joints are weak and unable to move the joints through their full range of motion. Children with UCMD may also have respiratory problems due to weakness in the muscles involved in breathing. It's important to note that the severity of symptoms can vary widely among individuals with UCMD. Some children may have mild muscle weakness and only experience minor delays in motor development, while others may have more significant muscle weakness and require assistance with mobility. Section 4, Diagnosing UCMD Tests and Examinations. Diagnosing UCMD involves a combination of physical examinations, medical history evaluations, and genetic testing. Doctors will assess the child's muscle strength, range of motion, and reflexes. They will also ask about the child's developmental milestones and any family history of muscle disorders. Genetic testing is crucial for confirming the diagnosis of UCMD. This testing can identify mutations in the genes associated with the condition. Genetic testing can also help determine the specific type of UCMD, as there are several subtypes. Early diagnosis of UCMD is important because it allows for timely intervention and management. The earlier treatment begins, the better the chances of maximizing the child's potential and improving their quality of life. Section 5, Treatment Options and Management of UCMD. While there is no cure for UCMD, various treatment options can help manage the symptoms and improve the child's quality of life. Treatment for UCMD is typically individualized and focuses on addressing the specific needs of each child. Physical therapy is a cornerstone of UCMD treatment. It helps to maintain muscle strength, flexibility, and range of motion. Bracing and orthotics can provide support and stability to weaken muscles and joints. Respiratory support, such as non-invasive ventilation, may be necessary for children with respiratory muscle weakness. Genetic counseling is essential for families of children with UCMD. It provides information about the condition, inheritance patterns, and risks of recurrence in future children. Genetic counselors can also discuss options for family planning and answer any questions or concerns that families may have. Section 6. Hope for the future. Research and emerging therapies. Research into UCMD and other muscular dystrophies is ongoing, offering hope for new and improved treatments in the future. Scientists are working to develop gene therapies that aim to correct or replace the mutated genes responsible for UCMD. Clinical trials are underway to evaluate the safety and efficacy of new therapies for UCMD. These trials offer hope for potential breakthroughs in treatment. While UCMD presents significant challenges, the dedication of researchers and clinicians provides optimism for a brighter future. Remember that you are not alone on this journey. With early intervention, ongoing management, and the support of healthcare professionals, children with UCMD can live fulfilling lives.